Alright guys, welcome to this section. Here we'll be working on how to make our first Instagram post and Facebook page post. But to ease ourselves the stress of posting on Instagram before going to Facebook page, we can decide to schedule them or try to come to this account to be posting every time. We can try to be scheduling them. I can schedule as much as I can, then I'll be at rest and it will be publishing. So this is a way you can manage your social media accounts. I can decide to link my Facebook or my social media platform and create a single post that will be linked to all of the posts. I don't know if you are getting. So what we'll be using for this very basic class, we're not going into social media management in full yet, so we're just going to learn some basic tools. So this is Hootsuite. You can see the spelling Hootsuite. So you go to your Play Store or you just type Hootsuite on Google and you get access to it. Then you download the Hootsuite app or you go to their website and get their iOS version for those using iPhone. So I'll click on this Hootsuite. You can see I already have an account. I don't have an account. So if you don't have an account, you create. But for me, I already have an account, so I'll click on it's trying to import my account. So you can see. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to link up my social media account. Why is it saying two of my okay, sorry, these are the accounts I already have. So I'm going to remove them. Why is it not removing? Or is it because it's linked to my okay, sorry guys, I'll click on I don't have an account, so that I'll log in. So I'll log in with Google. So I'll be selecting the email I'll be using. I'll just use this for now. Actually, I would have created an email for the brand, but this is more of scheduling. So imagine you are working as a social media manager. You can actually create for those persons or you can make use of your own account. So it's linking in. So let's see. So you can see. So these are the things we can connect. I can decide to connect my YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So for now, I'll connect both Facebook and Instagram. So I'll connect Instagram account. You can see Instagram personal, Instagram business. So know what is in your account before you can proceed. So I'll click on connect Instagram business. So you can see login with Facebook. You find example a link to your Facebook pages, link how to connect with Facebook. Then you can see, so I'll click on this. So I'll have to connect my Facebook account. So let me pause and connect it. Okay, I think it brought me back, but nevertheless, let's continue. Connect Instagram my business, connect Facebook. So you need your Facebook account to be connected on your browser so that it will ease you. So I'm being asked of my password for security reasons. So you can see it's already showing up my account. So don't be afraid, your account is secured. So I'll click continue as this profile. You can see I'm giving them permission, so I'll click continue. You can see, so you can see this is King's Word. So I'm going to add King's Word to that Instagram account. So I'll click on add. You can see it has been added successfully. So let me look for the you can see all these are pages, but they don't have Instagram account. So I think that is all. I'll click on, you can see this has Facebook and Instagram, both of them join. So I'll click on done. You can see, so I'm going back to Hootsuite app. You can see social media accounts connected. So now let's go back. You can see I have both my Facebook and Instagram connected. So let me click next to see. So I got it. You can see, let's confirm. We have, is only Instagram, I think. So let's still connect. Let's try to connect our Facebook page to it. Social media, I'll still connect. I'll click on Facebook page. So it will take me to my Facebook account and I'll connect the page. So you can see this is a page. So I'll click on this page and add. Then click on done. You can see we are going back. So social media is connected. So if you have Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube, you can do the same. So now let's see, we have 2 pages connected. So now on the next video, I'll be showing you how to schedule a post from Hootsuite and it will be published on both your Instagram and your Facebook page at the same time.